Hi everyone, myself Kanakaraju Veldi, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, Warangal Institute of Technology and Science. Welcome to WITS Connect. Today we are going to discuss one of the topic keys and couplings. Actually, what is key, what is coupling? If you see, if you want to join any two components like shafts, couplings, okay, we want to join any two components like see here, any automobiles heavy duty vehicles, there is a two shafts are there connecting to gearbox to transmit the power gearbox to differential. We are using that propeller shaft. In this propeller shaft, if we want to join any two components, we are using like bolts, nuts and keys also. Why? Because these keys are to prevent the relative motion. Like what is key? Key is a mission element. It is also mission element or mission member used to prevent the relative motion between parts such as gear shafts. For gear, like gear and shafts, like to prevent the motion, like this is the shaft. In this shaft is connected gearbox. In this gearbox, to prevent the relative motion, we are using like this keyways and keys. Okay, this is the key. Okay, what is key? Key is one of the mission element. It is used to prevent the relative motion such as gears, shafts. Okay, next types of keys. What are the types of keys? Okay, there are two types of keys. One is sunk key, another one is saddle key. Okay, sunk key and saddle key. In this sunk key, saddle keys are again divided some important types. Let's see. Sunk key, first one is sunk key and second one saddle key. Saddle keys. Okay, in this sunk keys divided five types, five important types. Like see here, which in what is sunk key actually? What is sunk key? What is a saddle key? Okay, sunk key. In sunk key, which require keyway both the shafts and hub. Which require keyway like this is the shaft, this is shaft, this is hub or muff. Which require key both shaft and hub. Like the keyway is both shaft and hub. This is keyway. This is one is a shaft. This is a hub. Shaft. What is sunk key? Which required keyway. Which require keyway. This is keyway. Which require keyway in both the shaft and hub. Shaft and hub. Which require keyway both shaft and hub. Shaft is there. This is a hub. Okay. This is sunk key. Next saddle key. What is saddle key? Saddle key which require keyway in only shaft, like this. Only hub or only hub or shaft. Like see here. This is hub, shaft, hub shaft. In this one, keyway is which required hub only or a shaft. Okay, any one. What is the sunk key? Sunk key is which required keyway in both the shaft and hub. Saddle key which required keyway only hub or only shaft. This is a keyway. Okay, these two are divided two types keys. One is sunk key, one is saddle key. Let's see sunk key. Sunk key is divided five types. In this sunk keys, first one is square key and rectangular key. Square key and rectangular key. Square key like for suppose this is a shaft and this is a hub. In this hub, square key like this, which require both in keyway in both hub and shaft. Like this is square key. Both sides are, all sides are equal in this key. Next rectangular key like this. Opposite two sides on the key is equal. Okay, this is rectangle key. Okay, next B. Gib headed key. In this one, gib headed key like this. There is gib head is there. Okay, this is a gib headed key. Next, third one, feather keys. In these feather keys also three types. Already we are seeing in the machine drawing. These are all those elements. Next, woodruff key. Woodruff key. We are using woodruff key in wooden works. Next, round key. Next, tangent. There are 6 types of keys. 6 types of sunk keys. Sad tangent key and round key. Round key both are in the round. Okay, this is a round key. Okay, this is round key and this is rectangle key. Okay, these 6 are types key sunk keys. Okay, next saddle key. Okay, next saddle key, second one. Saddle key which required, already told you na, saddle key which require a keyway in the hub only, like this is a hub and this is shaft. In this one which required keyway in hub only, like hub. This is keyway, hub, shaft, which required keyway in hub only, like this is a keyway. In this keyway in hub, that is called a sunk saddle key. Okay, in this saddle key is divided 2 types: hollow saddle key, flat saddle key. What is hollow saddle key? What is flat saddle key? Let's see. In hollow saddle key, in this keyway is out of the shaft, like this is shaft. Out of the shaft, like in this keyway, one side bottom of the keyway is hollow. One bottom of the keyway is like that curve. Okay, out of the shaft and in the hub, next bottom of the keyway is hollow or curve. That is called a hollow saddle key. Next, flat saddle key. In this flat saddle key, like again I want to draw the hub and shaft. Okay, this is shaft, this is hub. In this one, keyway is flat, bottom of the keyway is flat. Okay, bottom of the key is flat. This is hub, shaft, keyway or key. Bottom of the key is flat. Okay, this is called a flat saddle key. Okay, one is a hollow saddle key, this is a hollow saddle key, and this one is a flat saddle key. See here, which require a keyway in the hub only, like this. Okay, next hollow saddle key divided 2 types: hollow saddle key, this is a hollow saddle key. Next flat saddle key. Okay,